the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs their voices never share. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say now you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Play my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.